All right, how's it going? So we're going to do some roast potatoes today, but I'm going to do a slightly different method than I normally do. I like to do this every now and then. They turn out just dandy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I peeled my potatoes and I boiled them with some salt just for a few minutes. They're still very, very firm. Just give them a nice little head start. Okay, so let me talk about the pan that I'm using at the moment. This pan has no plastic on it, so it can go into the oven. So I'm going to cook here and go straight to the oven. If you don't have a pan that doesn't have plastic or something like that, then you need to do this and transfer it to a roasting tin or something. Right, in there I've got some oil. I'm using the corn oil. Use a different oil if you want. Duck fat actually would be amazing if you want to get these really nice. In we go with our potatoes. Now these potatoes, like you saw me, I boiled them, but they're still pretty hard. They just had a little flash boil. The other thing I'd like you to do is get your oven on full blast, maximum heat. Get it on, get it nice and hot, preheat it. To this we're going to add salt. Black pepper. And be fairly generous. I've got about a teaspoon here of dried thyme. You could use something else, rosemary or something like that would work nicely. Let's get that in. And I'm also adding here some paprika. Now this is quite a spicy paprika. You could use a sweet one if you want. Again, teaspoon of each. What we're going to do for a few minutes, we're going to throw them around in the pan, get a bit of colour on them, maybe like 4 or 5 minutes. So you can see we've got some nice bits of colour happening there. Next up, we're going to drop in, I've got some whole onions, or this size, a little. I tried to get the smallest ones I could. In they go. To that we're going to pop in some whole garlic. It's like one head there. And then what we're going to do is, off the heat, now like I said, because this can go in the oven, this is going to be picked up and go straight into the oven. Otherwise you're going to need to transfer it into an oven dish, metal, ceramic or glass is fine. That's going to go in my oven full blast for about 9 to 10 minutes. Okay, so they were like 9 or 10 minutes in a really super hot oven. They're fantastic. I mean, I like using this method sometimes. I think they're really, really good. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.